Good evening, everybody. This is NYNJPA weather. It's back. The video's back. After a bit of a delay, we wanted to improve the video quality and hopefully the voice quality of the video presentations, and hopefully we'll have this every evening. On to the forecast. It was a beautiful day today. Temperatures in the 70s and 80s over most locations with low humidity. Notice a few things as we look at the water vapor, my favorite tool. The trough that has been sitting over the forecast area for the past couple of days and bringing showers and thunderstorms to the region once again is now to the east of the forecast area. Notice that the trough axis is now off of New England. So we're in an area of convergence and confluence, which basically supports surface high pressure. So it was clear and comfortable today, and it's going to be clear and comfortable tomorrow. However, there is trouble off to the west as a disturbance is starting to develop over the northern plains. Now, as we look at the surface picture for tomorrow, as you can see, we have high pressure sitting right over the forecast area. Double-barreled high pressure system, one off the mid-Atlantic coast, another one over the Ohio Valley. Also note again that our low pressure is starting to organize. A warm front is starting to move through the Great Lakes. But for the most part, tomorrow's going to be a beautiful day with temperatures reasonably in the mid-80s with low humidity. Now, as we look at 500 millibars, this is a little bit later on. This is on Sunday. Notice that we're finally getting a ridge build into the mid-Atlantic. We're finally into a summer pattern. However, there's trouble lurking off to the west as we have, once again, the negative EPO pattern starting to redevelop once again. Note that high pressure starting to build over Alaska, starts to create the troughing over the northern territories, and that troughing will eventually drop down into the east coast. 700 millibars, a little bit lower in the atmosphere, where we get to see all of the low-level, mid-level moisture come in. Again, the high-pressure system to the south of us is going to be funneling in moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, while more and more disturbances continue to organize off to the west. Now, those disturbances are going to continue to try to move across the northern tier of the United States and bring the forecast area a chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms each day after Sunday. However, these systems are going to be relatively weak as they move into what we call a zonal pattern, which is basically where cold fronts move very quickly and not much in the way of intensification can happen. So we are looking at an active pattern setting up, one that's going to keep us on our toes.